Perfect,
Yes.
perfect. So
Yeah.
now kind of we've gone from Korea to Japan, and now we are in Singapore. And so welcome on stage. And Dr. Liang will be telling us about, as you can see on your screens, digital manufacturing of mass customization of printed electronics using aerosol process. So good luck.
Okay. Thank you so much. So hello everyone. Good morning and good afternoon if you are in the western part of the world, and good evening if you are from the eastern part of the Asia. My name is Liang. Go. I'm thrilled to be here to share with you about my research work, and I'm honored to have the opportunity to contribute to the discussion in this event. In this presentation, I'll be discussing digital manufacturing for mass customization of printed electronics using aerosol jet printing technology, and sharing some of my findings and insights on this important topic. I believe that mass customization of electronic is crucial to printed electronic industry, and I hope that my presentation today will spark new ideas and inspire meaningful conversation among us. So before we dive into the details, I would like to take a moment to introduce to you where I come from and my prior experience with printed electronics. I'm currently working as a research fellow at the Singapore Center for 3D Printing in Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. Over here, we have many state-of-the-art 3D printers that allows us to do wide range of research, which includes metal printing, concrete printing, bioprinting, polymer printing, and electronic printing. As you can see here, we use these tools to do research in these 7 key research areas, and one of them, which includes research on additive manufacturing for electronics. Okay, so these are some of the electronics printers that we have in our research center. We have the Optomac Aerosol Jet 5X printer that we use for printing all kinds of electronic circuits and sensors. The Nano Dimensions Dragonfly 2020 Pro that allows us to do research related to printed circuit board fabrication using inkjet printing technique, as well as a small version of electronic printer from the board factory. Okay, so a little bit about myself. I graduated from NTU, Singapore for both my bachelor and PhD degree. So for my PhD research, I did research focusing on printed flexible electronics and 3D printed electronics. So my research also extends to other research areas such as UAV, bioprinting, machine learning, and other fields in 3D printing. Okay, so for my research on electronic printing, I mainly look into 2 aspects, which are the fundamental science as well as the innovations. For the fundamental science, I research on the use of various functional materials and processes to achieve specific function and outcomes. And I also look into using different pre and post printing treatment to improve the functionality of the printed devices. On the innovation side, I also have experience working with industry partners to come up with innovative solutions for their products. And you have a look at some of these works shown on the right. These works includes conformal circuits for drone, soft sensors for gripper, as well as a smart bandage for biomedical device. And all these work actually requires a lot of customization of these electronic components simply because they are unique structures and applications. So here we can see that there's a great potential for mass customized electronics because of this increasing demand from different industries. So given the growing demand for mass customization in electronic industry, it is worth taking a closer look at what exactly we mean by customization of electronics and how customized electronic compares to traditional electronics. For conventional electronics products, they are usually pre-designed and pre-manufactured products that is produced in large quantity for broad customer base, and these products are often mass-produced using assembly line techniques, and they are designed to meet the needs of wide range of customers without significant customization. So some of the examples of these electronics products includes smartphone, laptops, and television. And in contrast, a customized electronic product is a product that is specifically designed and produced to meet the